Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove the rust from your garden tools. See, all these tools are very rusted. We need salt, white distilled vinegar, Dawn or dishwashing soap, WD-40, and some container. You could use any distilled vinegar. I just bought this off-brand. It's from Stop and Shop. It's only $1.99. First, we're gonna clean up some of the dirt and grease that's on the tools with dishwashing liquid. If you have only 2 or 3 tools that you want to remove the rust from, you could use a cup. What you'll do is put about 1 spoon of the salt, and then you will fill up to the metal part of your tools with the vinegar. But since I have a lot of tools that I want to remove the rust, I'm going to use this container. So we put about 1 tablespoon of the salt, and we fill up with the vinegar up to the metal parts, so that all the metal parts are covered with the vinegar. The salt contains sodium and iodine, and it will help a little better. You don't have to put the salt, but it's better to put the salt in order to remove more of the rust. And we will leave this for about 3 days, and then we will clean it with the steel brush. I actually left it for 1 week in the vinegar and salt, because some of the tools were very rusted. And look at the rust, all the rust that came out. Let's clean up and see. And we will spray with some WD-40 so that we could protect it from future rust. But don't use it on your plants yet. Wait until the WD-40 dries completely. As you can see, they came out pretty good. These pliers were so rusted that weren't opening. Look how easy it opens and closes. Also, this was all rusted. Also, screwdriver and all the other tools are looking pretty good. Some rust stains on the plastic, but that's fine. It came out pretty good.